talk about the app, okay, because that's something I'm really, really proud of, okay.
I remember हम जब CRM पे काम कर रहे थे,
हाँ.
हम basically app वाला thing CRM पे try कर रहे थे पूरा,
हाँ.
and then one day you're like हम app क्यों नहीं बना रहे?
Just make the whole thing is just simplify,
हाँ.
right? Why complicate life when it doesn't want to be this thing?
हाँ.
So that's why I said website पे नहीं करेंगे because then there's too much in the background happening. फिर we have to go to so our website is with I'm going to give what do you call it credit.
Credit. हाँ.
So like we're also going to give credit to Cresvatic Private Limited, I think they're called, right? So yes, Cresvatic. So we'll talk about them because I think Pranati and Amit were a great support system to the boys. So our website is still with them, and you know we just had the back and forth with them, and we said it just gets too difficult. So let's do something where we are independent, and you know you all can just handle it. We don't have to keep going and harassing Amit and Pranati all the time, right? So that is where I think it came from. So let's talk about your journey. So you actually started on the app before Atharva came in, right?
So 1 week before I started on, so basically हम app के लिए दो options था, या तो React Native और Flutter. So 1 week before he came, I started my work on React Native. तो उस पे work start करा, then he came in, then हम start में काम कर रहे थे, but then React पे बहुत सारे issues आ रहे थे, files corrupt हो रहे थे, and then we switched to Flutter, and then
okay, so we are like really casual here now, right? Now we've got music happening in the background. हाँ ठीक है हाँ.
Then Flutter पे switch करा, and then वहाँ से हमने पूरा scratch.
So React का क्या हुआ? Sorry, I got a little distracted. So what happened when
जब हमने React का start करा, every time जब हम run करने जाते थे वो error throw करता था, and हमने notice किया files corrupt थे. So there was nothing we could do or fix जो वो ठीक हो पाता था. हमने वापस से reinstall करके वापस से पूरा करने के देखा, वो नहीं हुआ. So we switched from React Native to Flutter, and वहाँ से from scratch again we पूरा साथ में बनाया.
Flutter दोनों को भी नहीं आता था.
हमें कुछ नहीं आता था.
but I think that was the whole thing, right? And yes. I think I've told these boys also that you know the whole thing is for you to come and learn something that you don't know, right? Use this time to learn a new software, a new program. Use the time that you have over here to learn. You know, you're gonna leave with learnings. So Flutter कहाँ से सीखा? So it was what?
Flutter तो हमने खुद से ही सीख लिया. पहले तो बेसिक जो नॉर्मल बेसिक होते हैं वो हमने यूट्यूब और सबसे सीख लिया. पहले 2 दिन हमने शायद वो करा,
सीख रहे थे
यूट्यूब और सबसे सीख रहे थे. एंड देन उसके बाद से कोई भी इशू आता था, हम भी इसको टू चैट जीपीटी वो एक देता था, देन वो गलत देता था, देन हमें उसे समझाना पड़ता था कि ये नहीं चाहिए, ये चाहिए, एंड देन फिर हमें वो अपने आप में इंटीग्रेट करके पूरा बनाना स्टार्ट करा.
So we also learned how to become prompt engineers.
Yes.
Right? So we've learned how to give the right prompts to ChatGPT. I think we did that in so many things, right? Back and forth, you know.
Even
I think
the reels.
Even for the reels. So I think ChatGPT actually pay us for teaching them how to function, right?
Prometheus का part होते हैं.
Prometheus का part. We've really the prompts. So we've really learned how to give the prompts back and forth.
Yes.
और वो next day भूल भी जाता था ChatGPT क्या चल रहा है.
So we have to go back and teach it all over again.
Oh, मैंने ये दिया था आपको.
Okay, so we learned Flutter, we learned prompt engineering, Firebase. Let's talk about Firebase also, because I mean that's something again I learned about.
So basically website में I had an idea about server कैसे ये करते हो सब, but app का मेरे को कोई idea नहीं था. So I researched थोड़ा बहुत, and Firebase seemed the most optimal thing हम लोग use कर सकते थे. So initially we were using Firebase only for authentication and basic functions जो use कर रहे हैं, but then later on we thought कि
storage के लिए भी वही use
सब कुछ एक ही जगह कर देते तो ज़्यादा ये नहीं होगा. तो अब सब कुछ from messaging to storage to authentication सब कुछ is on Firebase, and it is like a serverless server. Firebase में सब एक ही जगह पे सब कुछ हो जाता है, which is very efficient for us to use and for you all to use. And Firebase में कोई coding ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो it is easier for you to use.
Proper UI based है वो सब.
But मैंने वैसे भी बोला है, हम तो कुछ करने नहीं वाले. Whenever we have a challenge, pick up the phone and say, अथर्वा, रजत, क्या हो रहा है?
अभी नए इंटर्न्स को भी आता रहेगा.
हाँ, उनको सिखाना नहीं. I don't think they know. You have to teach them. Yeah, they don't know.
Didn't know.
हाँ, exactly. The basics. ठीक है. So the whole app that we made. right? So I think, and again, so commendable. Within 3 months you had the app ready? Oh, within a month.
March में April में he came.
हाँ, yeah, then Feb, March,
And
April, first you
May-
joined.
नहीं, 1.5 months.
We had it ready.
हाँ.
And then after that the whole testing
Testing,
and the
testing 40 days,
testing,
40 days.
14 days का testing था, but also the whole this thing. So if we talk about challenges, or we talk about, you know, what else happened in the journey. So testing में I think we got a lot of feedback, right?
Yes.
So what was some of the feedback that we got? And
The main feedback जो सबका आया about internal testing जिसको भी हमने app दिया was the UI design. Because हम दोनों इतने अच्छे design में
Very creative.
हमारा design sense बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. तो I remember अनीता मैम's husband हमें आके बोलते कि आप पूरा एकदम government app wrong, government app अच्छे होते हैं. But हमने फिर पूरा डिजाइन पूरा चेंज करके एंड देन हमने थोड़ा मॉडर्नाइज करा उसको व्हिच लुक्स थोड़ा सा प्लीजिंग टू द आईज.
to the eyes, correct.
लोगों के theme के wise.
Exactly. I was going to come to that. And then I think the biggest challenge that the boys had was, so I have this whole thing about the colors. So it's like, नहीं हमारा color blue है, हमारा red है, हमारा yellow है. हमें इन colors के अंदर ही use करना है. Rajat, like green, can we use green?
फेशियल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था.
And I said, no, green हमारे लोगों में नहीं है, हम green नहीं use कर सकते. You only have these 3 colors and black and white, of course, which you can play.
एंड सबसे बड़ा क्लिप आर्ट.
हाँ.
Oh my God.
मैम doesn't like clip art at all. Only real people.
So I'm trying to overcome that now. So if you see my stories now, I'm not using clip art per se, but I'm using those animated
Yes.
things, right? So I'm also evolving, right, with yours. So clip art will still take me time to reach there. So I've kind of come somewhere in between now.
जो तो पहुंच जाएगा पता था हम ऐप में चेंज कर देंगे पूरा. वो रेडी है पुराना क्लिप आर्ट.
You're just waiting to go back to that whole clip art thing, no? मतलब इतना ये, I think even when the reels that I'm making, I think the first time you made and you gave me clip art, I was like, नहीं हम ये use नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Because if you see the newer generation, they don't want to see people. They don't want to meet people as
Yeah, you don't want to know.
as few interaction with humankind possible.
So I think the colors was one thing. The whole feel, like I said, Sachin said, government app. So we changed that. I think it really looks. And after that, I think the feedback we got is really beautiful. So when people go on to it, we've used the same visual which is on our website, right? So I think the color scheme and all that. So I think it looks really nice. I don't know whether clip art होगा कि नहीं होगा. That is a different thing.
हो जाएगा.
हो
जाएगा. Eventually हो जाएगा.
Confidence.
ठीक है. So I know how I felt when the app became live. Okay, and I know that every time we were making the changes and we had to do something, you all would wait for me to come into the office to do it with you all, and I really appreciate it, because now when I'm talking and think back about it, I realize how because you all knew it was so important to me, you all were not doing it yourself. Even when we had to publish it or whatever, you all wait for me to come and do it. Yeah, the साथ में हम करेंगे, you all ensured that I was part of that whole publishing. So thank you. I don't know if I ever said that. Okay, so thank you for that. I know how I felt when finally we did it. It was like, yay, we are on, on the Google Play Store. How did you all feel?
Well, वो तो बहुत बार publish हुआ है. तो जितने बार publish हुआ था, वो satisfaction नहीं मिल रहा था. कि अभी तो सिर्फ demo testing में, beta testing में ये है वो है. Proper नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा, last final वाला.
But जब finally हो गया ना, beta like tag निकल, एक तो वो हो चुका था.
हमने बस दिख रहा नहीं था सिर्फ.
हाँ, हमने बस देखा नहीं था बराबर से.
क्योंकि हम लोग beta testing में थे पहले से.
हाँ, पहले से ही हम logged in थे beta test, तो हमें वही दिख रहा था. तो जब हो गया था ना finally, खाश, चलो हो गया. अभी change करना है तो हम बाद में update में पूरा डाल सकते हैं. एक publish हो गया. Because we faced बहुत, I think 2-3 हफ्ता तक सिर्फ publishing में चला गया था.
हाँ, बहुत.
हाँ.
ये 14 days testing के बाद भी बहुत गया था time.
Yeah, because I think because Google kept coming back to us with things, and we used to keep getting stuck, and we were trying to get information.
Security measures डाल दिए Google ने, तो बहुत time लग गया.
बहुत time, all the privacy documents, ये वो, we had to just keep going back. I think privacy document में also they wanted us to change something, right? So even something as basic as that, we had to go back, and I think we were being asked to take a break. Because we should pick up his eyes. So it was a great moment. And I think then, and I think more than that, I think what was important was the celebration after that.
हाँ, उससे पहले हो गया था
celebration उससे पहले किया था?
Pop-it से पहले
अच्छा पॉप उससे पहले हुआ था?
मेन पब्लिशिंग के पहले ही हम पॉप टेस्ट चले
We
गए
we
थे
were already celebrating.
टेस्टिंग के टाइम पे
हाँ टेस्टिंग के टाइम पे हाँ
अच्छा we were pre-celebrating.
बेटा टेस्टिंग में चला गया था गूगल प्ले
हाँ.
हम तभी पार्टी
We
कर
were so
रहे थे
confident कि हाँ ठीक है हो ही जाएगा चलो पार्टी करते हैं. ठीक है. So 30th of June was the last day. So you'll have been away for about almost 4 weeks now, 3 weeks plus.
हाँ.
यस
Okay, you're back to college. You started with a new job 2 weeks back. So how do you feel now that you're back to life per se? You're into actual life now, like
Actual corporate life,
Yeah,
हाँ.
corporate life. I don't know. Was I telling you about that? Welcome to the real world. No.
हाँ मुझे भेजा था
आपको
आपने,
बोला था
हाँ.
आपने हाँ आपको भेजा था. So how you feeling now?
आई फील लाइक ये पूरा जर्नी में जैसे मैंने बोला पीपल स्किल्स बहुत सीखा लाइफ स्किल्स बहुत सीखा यू आर लाइफ कोच बेसिकली
Ah, thank you. So I need to change my bio. so we have to go and change my bio. So my bio, I think it says career counselor. हमने
हाँ.
change किया था ना मेरा bio.
नहीं
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 Bio
किया
नहीं,
आपने
on
सिर्फ public किया था.
on the Instagram. Yeah, the whole public thing. So my Instagram.
इट टुक अराउंड 2 वीक्स एक बटन दबाने के लिए फ्रॉम गोइंग टू प्राइवेट टू पब्लिक
2 weeks.
3 months
3 years. Because when Charismatic came on board in 2022, they were told me कि मैम आपका जो account है it cannot be private, it has to be public. So it took them 2.5 years or whatever, and it took you all about 3 months.
हमने कन्विंस कर लिया
Karina finally have convinced me. Every Monday it was like, हाँ आज Monday को we will go public. But it
एंड
just
अभी ये सेम चीज रील्स के साथ हो रहा है एवरी मंडे आई विल पुट अ रील बट मैं एवरी मंडे देख रहा हूँ अब तक आया नहीं है कहीं
आएगा. I promise. This is like the first, like I said, baby steps.
मैं पिछले मंडे आपको टेक्स्ट करने वाला था कि रील नहीं आ रहा
अभी उन लोगों को टेक्स्ट करना.
We are making the Monday reels now. So
नहीं मैम का वो बहाने हैं सिर्फ
तुम्हारा इंटर्नशिप खत्म नहीं करना.
आज अच्छे कपड़े में नहीं है आज ये नहीं है
I have कुछ तो excuse देना पड़ता है ना. How can I say they want to do it? You put me in a room in front of 1,000 people, and I can have a conversation. You'll have seen me at it, right? So even at a time when I'm not feeling well, I can stand there. I can just talk to live people, not clippers. I can talk to live people. But if you ask me to talk to a camera, I just can't. It just throws me off. So that is why I think this is okay for me. Filming हो रहा है, but I mean that's happening. But we're having a conversation. अगर मुझे बोलो कि कैमरा के सामने खड़े होके कुछ बनाओ नहीं होता है. तो ठीक है, but it's a learning process.
आज ट्राई करेंगे.
कैमरा मैन से बात करना है
हाँ कैमरा मैन से बात करने के लिए that's a good idea. So skills you said that you picked up the whole this thing. Atharva, I know you're not in work as yet, but do you think because you just talked about before we started this कि fresher party के ऊपर आप काम कर रहे हो, right? So anything that you've learned over here that's helping you now?
कभी मैं ऐप का जो काम किया उसकी वजह से मैं अभी कॉलेज का प्रोजेक्ट है हमारा टीवाई का वो भी उसकी मैं ऐप ही बना रहा हूँ एक.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
Fantastic. What app are you making?
मैं बता नहीं सकता.
But you have to dedicate it to me. I told them when you'll make your first app, you'll have to dedicate it. जैसे book लिखते हैं ना, so dedicated to so and so
Credits
person.
नीचे.
Credit. So your first app credit has to come to me. Okay, dedicated to Anita ma'am.
Special thanks.
Special thanks हाँ.
Yes.
मतलब देना है नहीं देना है बंदूक रख के मैंने बोल दिया देना
कॉलेज के
है.
प्रेजेंटेशन में भी नीचे
So you're doing
In
with
front of
this thing.
externals. Thank you for Anita.
So you're making a this
Yes.
thing, and that's going to give you credits for your program.
Yes, it has 100 marks.
Oh, that's 100 marks. So that's like a complete subject. This thing.
Yes.
So सारा जो है वो app पे ही होगा.
हाँ.
Oh.
इसे 5th sem के लिए.
Oh, so the 5th sem, and then 6th sem again you will make
Yes.
another app.
App, your website, anything, IoT.
हाँ तो वेबसाइट हम इसको वो बोलते हैं आज बनाने के लिए सारे. We've taken a new domain anitakatyalrani.com, which they are going to make code igniter.
BHP
PHP page. They're going to learn that. तो मैंने स्पेशली डोमेन नेम इनके लिए खरीदा है. जैसे आप लोग के लिए मैंने ऐप किया था, इन लोग के लिए मैंने वेबसाइट का किया है. So they're going to learn that.
चलो कॉल कर देना नहीं every time.
So everyone who comes in has to learn something and go, right? So you all did the whole app thing. They're going to learn the whole website thing. So yeah, so website है तो अपने को मालूम है किसको पकड़ना है अपने को. ठीक है. I don't know what else. I mean, we've been talking for so long. I mean, they've got enough material now that they can use.
A lot.
Yeah, बहुत हो गया ना. So I think we can now kind of, kind of end this. But on a very serious note, thank you, boys. Honestly, I mean, I had so much of fun with you all.
सेम हाँ
Yeah.
हमने तो इधर बहुत कुछ करा हमने तो मैगी भी बनाई थी एक बार
वो उसमें
केटल में
नहीं, आपने
Kettle धोया कि नहीं उसके बाद? See, so I'm learning new things over there. They were making Maggie behind my back and they never invited me for it.
मैगी बनाई, सेकंड डे कॉफी के साथ मैगी की भी टेस्ट.
और मुझे कभी इनवाइट नहीं किया खाने के लिए.
आप तो वैसे भी लंच नहीं करते
करती हूँ. ठीक है. So that's so yeah, no, thank you very much. I mean, it was real fun, and I won't say I hope, I know that you all will always be a part of this wherever you all are in the world. And like I said, even when you'll get married, and you'll have children, and you'll talk about it. अरे मेरा जो पहला internship था, अरे क्या happening था? वो अनीता मैम जो थी ना.
देखो abroad जाके पढ़ने के
Yeah, correct. So I don't know. No, I'll still be around because you will have your children. What about 10
I'm
years
not
from now?
married.
You're not getting married. सारे बच्चे. Maybe you'll adopt. हाँ, you'll adopt, right? So
उससे पहले मुझे भी तो
10
जाना
plus
है
15 now. 25 years from now, your child will be ready to go to uni. I'll still be around. I'm here. मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही हूँ.
मुझे भी तो जाना है
और उससे पहले आपको जाना है.
मास्टर्स के लिए
हाँ.
अपना ही ऐप यूज करूंगा
Yeah, and then when you're using the app, you say, अरे ठीक है ये चलो एक नया अपडेट डाल देता हूँ मैं इसमें. ठीक है. So yeah, so thank you very much. Yeah, and
we
we're
should
going to.
thank you इतना सिखाने के लिए हाँ
वो मेरा thank you जो होगा वो that credits that you're going to give me. That's no, but honestly, credits does not necessarily have to be where you're putting my name. As long as you remember me, and you just say that really helped. Being with Proventus, being with Anita really helped. For me, that's my biggest gift. Right, so I think when our students get their offer letters, हम कितने excited हो जाते हैं. We get said, अरे offer letter आ गया, For us, that's the most important thing. Visa हो गया, अरे visa हो गया.
देखा है हमने भी.
देखा है ना आपने? मतलब we really get so excited about the whole
That
thing.
is one thing अभी वो क्वेश्चन था कल्चरल ये वाला शॉप के बारे में
हाँ, cultural shock
one
वाला.
thing I liked because at Proventus it's not just business and profit was related, it's actually about the students and उनके लिए बहुत सोचते हो आप लोग कि उनके लिए ये करना है वो करना है and you go beyond that.
Yeah, but I think that is important, right? And even when these boys joined, when I was, so I actually did a proper induction with them, which I don't think I did with you. You were my guinea pig. So with them I did a proper induction. And I think the first thing what I told them when I did the induction about the diary वायरी का तो वो तो बोलती ही हूँ मैं. But I think also said is that it's very important that the example that I was that we are like doctors. So when we are working, we have to be so careful about what we do because one wrong decision, one wrong piece of information that we give to the student can completely change their life and not necessarily for the positive. So, I think that passion is something that I hope we all bring in. I think that is also because we added to the app, we added the whole notification thing. Right? Because it was like the student wants to reach out to you, how do you do it? So that was something that you all brought in saying, ma'am, अगर बच्चे को reach करना है तो कैसे this thing? So we get a real time notification on the app because I think that you'll realize that it is important for us, the team to know that the student wants to connect with us. If it is on the laptop, we're not going to see it. But when the push comes, we will know, how important it is and then we can reach out to the student and help them if required. So I think, So culturally, that is the thing, yeah.
And because starting में for mystery shopping, I went to different competitors, ना.
Correct.
Just मतलब I won't take names.
Yeah, don't take names.
But उनके पास भी जाके when I filled out forms and talked to them, it was more like professionalism and business related ऐसा लगता था. But इधर वैसा नहीं लगता. Whenever you talk to the parents या फिर students, it's very personal. कि हाँ, you're अभी हमारे इसमें, we'll take care of you पूरा.
So I'm going to take, because you said they were very professional. So I'm going to take it positively because you
Positive.
covered it saying that it's personal. So we are professional, guys. but more than the fact that professional, I think we are personal. We take
Yes,
each student very
Same.
personally, right? So it is for us, it is not कि बच्चा आ रहा है, testing कर रहा है, overseas का कर रहा है, पैसे pay कर रहा है, and once he's gone, we are over and done with. We really want to get involved and understand the entire story behind them, right? That is what it is. Oh, thank you very much. You know, a lot of people say that to me when I do the counseling. मगर वो खाली काउंसलिंग के समय बाद में उनको बोलते हैं ना वीडियोस बना के हमको दे दो टेस्टिमोनियल के लिए, तो हमको नहीं आता है. So I'm glad we have this on record now. Okay. Atharva, Rajata has done all the talking. I have done all the talking. Okay. I'm going to let you close this. Stress मत करो, वो ले लो, stress ball ले लो. Yeah. So
हमारा मैसेज दे चालेल. हाँ आमचे
हाँ.
साहेब.
हाँ, अभी जो नए इंटर्न्स हैं वो मेरे जूनियर्स हैं कॉलेज में.
हाँ.
सेकंड ईयर ना. हाँ सेकंड ईयर.
हाँ, second year, yeah, they're from your college.
तो काम अच्छे से करो, मतलब मैम जो ये डेडलाइन देती है वो फॉलो करो. मेन मतलब मैम को डेडलाइन तोड़ना पसंद नहीं है.
Yeah, that's
बहुत
one thing.
पंक्चुअल है मैम. सिर्फ डेडलाइन के लिए. काम आराम से अपने स्पीड में करो, बट डेडलाइन से पहले करो सिर्फ.
और मैं डेडलाइंस मेरे अनरियलिस्टिक डेडलाइंस नहीं होते हैं ना कि मुझे अभी आधे घंटे में चाहिए.
And clip art मत use करें.
बीच में चलता है क्लिप.
जगह sneak in करने का कोशिश भी करा.
So follow deadlines. So I have OCDs, guys. Okay, so you'll have to follow my OCDs. इतना तो समझ लिया होगा, I think in the past 1 week that you're with me, कि वो
जब एक्सेल या वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट बना रहे हो सब सेम फॉन्ट का होना चाहिए. रैंडमली कुछ बोल्ड ये नहीं होना चाहिए.
spellings.
यस
हाँ
स्पेलिंग्स.
Spellings बहुत important है बाबा मेरे लिए.
ग्रामरली यूज करो.
Yeah. And in fact, Charismatic will tell you that. So when Charismatic was making my a website 3 years back, so we used to have a website which was made by my son in 2012. And 2020, when Charismatic came on board, they actually did the whole website. And Amit has these stories about how I used to harass them for spellings. Because they would make it and I'm like, nahi, ye spelling wrong hai, because of the whole, you know, the English, which is the British English and the American English, right? It just really upset me. Initial caps, right? Capital letters. That really kind of triggers me. So yeah, so I think that's one thing the boys need to know that, right?
Yes.
They have to be very careful. Proofread करके मुझे सब information देना. Proofread के बिना मुझे मत देना, please. और चाहिए तो उसको भेज देना proofread करने के लिए.
छोटे पार्टीज करो ऑफिस में. मैम को भी बुलाओ.
हाँ देखो मुझे आज मालूम पड़ा, मुझे मैगी पार्टी के लिए नहीं बुलाया. मेरा दिल टूट गया. और अभी ना परफेक्ट वेदर भी है मैगी पार्टी के लिए. एक्चुअली वी शुड हैव अ मैगी पार्टी नाउ.
वो नहीं बनेगा.
वैसे भी भूख लगा हुआ है.
अरे
2 मैगी बनाए थे, खराब होने वाला था वो.
हिट हुआ वो अलग.
उसको हिलाने नहीं
हिलाने
होता
के लिए.
क्योंकि वो स्टीम आता है ना
हाँ,
वहाँ
वहाँ
से.
से.
और अगर हिलाए नहीं तो नीचे पूरा जल के
जल
चिपक
जाता है.
जाएगा.
But taste must.
So you'll learn that also, tricks of how to make Maggi.
इन केटल.
नहीं मेरे आगे से मत करो.
See, as long as you learn, the whole thing is learning. You know what the learning is. Okay. Okay, great. Thank you so much. It's been wonderful talking to you all. We're going to wind this up and we're going to get back to work, like we said in that video. Okay, because you'll still have to work. You'll have to do a handover to them, right? So, हाँ बोलो, कुछ बोलने वाले थे? नहीं हो गया. ठीक है. Done? Yeah. Fantastic. Thank you.
Black वाला content है.
वही मैं बोल रही ब्लैक अच्छा दिखता है.
अच्छा वो दिखाने के?
हाँ.
Okay. Thank you. Credits बंद कर दिया?
Now we can start.
Now let's give you all also the credit. Come on. So Sartha, come on, introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Vishwesh.
Yeah, so Vishwesh, but too long a name, so
Vishu.
Vishu. सार्थक अभी तक मैंने शॉर्टन नहीं किया है नाम. So yeah, so this is my intern team as of this year. Gone, but still here. Come, but will always be here. Okay, so I forgot to ask something very important, which was the last question that Sarthak and Vishu had given me. Both the boys are supposed to give me 3 words to describe the internship. So I made it easy for them. I said, give me 3 adjectives. As simple as that. So, Atharva, we'll start with you.
Fabulous, awesome, and fun.
Fabulous, awesome and fun. Arey वाह, क्या बात है. मतलब you're talking about Proventus, you're talking about me. ठीक है. Rajat.
I think challenging, intriguing, and impactful.
Challenging क्यों?
Challenging.
हाँ, I know. Yeah. We're all हम सबका
App
question mark.
development is something we didn't know, na.
Ah,
Scratch
okay.
से पूरा
हाँ.
सीख रहे थे.
हाँ, so app was challenging. That is thing. So not.
नहीं, challenging in a good way.
हाँ, okay.
Not
Because it helped you think
Yes,
outside the
हाँ,
box.
हाँ.
Okay. Intriguing why?
Because we got to learn बहुत सारे new concepts, new things, जैसे Firebase हो गया, then Cloudinary हो गया.
What's
Then
Cloudinary?
हम storage का पहले वो
Use
use
करने
करना.
वाले
हाँ,
थे,
okay, I'm going to use that.
But
Okay.
then हम सब एक में कर रहे हैं ना अभी.
Okay.
तो नए वही devices और सब के बारे में पता चला, जैसे iOS के बारे में.
Yeah. And Rajat has now become an Apple person. He's got a new iPhone and another was heartbroken about it. And what is the third one? Challenging, intriguing,
Impactful.
and impactful.
जो सीखने को मिला अभी आगे जाके भी यूज
Use
करूंगा.
हो रहा है. Yes, yeah. ठीक है, great. हो गया आपका most important question use हो गया? Okay, ठीक है, चलो. Thank you very much.
अभी next time इन लोग के लिए मैं बनाऊंगा question.
Yes, but we'll do that. So when they finish their internship, you guys will come back and do their interview.
ये वाला
और सब
question
क्वेश्चन लेंगे.
ये संभाल के रखते हैं इस डॉक्यूमेंट को. ये डॉक्यूमेंट उनको वापस देते हैं.
Better question आप बनाएंगे.
अच्छा, make better questions. Yeah, so you all can take the next interview.
प्रिपरेशन के लिए टाइम नहीं है.
हाँ नहीं, no preparation time.
बदला घेता है डिपेंड
मैं गेट से आया बैठा और ये क्या है.
मुझे सरप्राइज है जरूर.
There's a surprise element to see, check your preparation with life.
रॉ एलिमेंट आला ना रॉ होते ना
ठीक है, चलो काम पे लगे.
Yes.
Okay.